G'day, I'm Doc, and you're watching Scout Skills with Doc. Today, we're going to look at the compass, its basic parts, and how it works. The bezel is the circular part that you can turn with your fingers. As it turns, so do the markings on it. The numbers are called bearings. There are also some letters, N, E, S and W. They are called cardinal points. Next, we have the needle. We'll learn more about that in a minute, as it's an important part. Then there's a direction arrow and a ruler to measure points on the map, and a magnifying lens to see things more clearly on the map. And then, last, we have the base, which is the clear plastic part that you hold in your hand. So the Earth has this cool thing called the magnetic field around it. I'm not a scientist, so that's all I'm going to tell you about it. But anyway, if you have a piece of metal that has been magnetized and is free to move, like the needle in our compass, then it will align with the Earth's magnetic field and point to the North Magnetic Pole. That's why your compass needle always points in the same direction no matter where you are or which direction you're facing. I mentioned cardinal points before. They are simply the 4 basic points on the compass. You have north, east, south and west. The cardinal points can also be referred to using their bearings in degrees. North is 0 degrees, east is 90 degrees, south is 180 degrees, and west is 270 degrees. North can sometimes be referred to as 360 degrees, which is a full circle, but we'll use 0 degrees as it's less confusing that way. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Next time, we'll be taking the compass outside and learning how to use it for navigation.